So you're making enchilada.
Yeah.
Your own way with chorizo.
Mild chorizo.
That spicy chorizo. There's nothing mild about this. Maybe mild for you, but to me, it's spicy. So we're making chorizo Frederick style. We're frying the meat, right? Babe, don't sprinkle it on the floor. Is this all beef or beef and pork?
Beef and pork.
So you fry it in medium heat, right?
Yeah. It's beginning to get color.
Yeah.
But this one needs to fry as well.
Okay. So now we're adding the chorizo.
And then when this starts to get color, you add those two.
Okay. So you're adding oregano to it. Why?
Because it's a nice flavor.
It smells very spicy though. So now we're putting in the onion and peppers. And then we add in the peppers. So he's adding some chicken stock. Yeah, just to give it flavor. If not, it's just tasteless. But your chorizo's taste is more of chili, not proper food.
If you count all the spices that's in that chorizo.
That's chili and different sort of chilies.
No,
That's what they have.
the salt and black pepper and white pepper.
Yeah, peppers. Yeah, very good.
Sugar.
Sugar to help cool down the chilliness. You take one of this, right?
Yeah.
And then you take this. This is what it looks like now. So we're going to pour the rest of the taco salsa sauce on top of it, and then our cheese to put on top of it. It smells good with chorizo, mincemeat, onion, posh peppers, cheese. We're gonna dive in now. Bon appetit!
Finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.